You yeller. So what we did, we got this because we need to change this. I forgot what it's called. Tie rod? No, I don't know. But this is I gotta go pick up the car right now. It's getting cold outside. I need to get a sweater. My sweater's in the trunk. Fuck. We went to O'Reilly's to go get the part. No, man, saddle. It's over here when oh no, it's a Sierra car. Fuck, man. It's getting cold. Hold on, let me put my sweater on.
One eternity later.
We gotta pick the car up. The jack. Walk around back. Nigga, where that track? I'll be right back. Let me pick this shit up. It's just pretty simple. Let me see if I can show you because I keep doing this. No, I can't show you. Fuck, man. Damn, I look white as hell. I didn't fucking fix this shit. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're done. We've been done for like 2 hours. We just, oh my god. We've been done, but now we're gonna clean the car. We came to the car wash. I think he's gonna clean the engine bay because that shit musty. What the fuck is he? I'm having acne, bro. No. But yeah, we're about to wash the car. Dude, I look white as hell. Hey, I'm Brandon. But yeah, we're gonna go outside. Oh my, okay, we're gonna go outside. Please don't get wet. It gets wet right here. Okay, let's go.
Shots in my brain. I've been tripping about some things can't change. Switch at the same time on tape. Shit the same thing before phone call. Heard that you fought with a killer soul. I was just somewhere nobody knows. And when I hate myself, wanna fucking end it.
So I just took some random ass clips, but I don't know what the fuck I took. So probably turning into a little video, like no, not like a montage or some shit. But right now we're done. We're like drying it up now, so gotta do that shit. Let me get this shit over with. When I have your clear wheels, use this shit. This shit cleans your wheels like a bitch. But here's how you use it. You spray it. Like, oh fuck, it's locked. Hold up. Okay. Spray it all around your wheel. Then you dry them up. Well, hope you like that. I think I did a montage. I don't even know. It was probably when I got lazy. I did it. But if you see it, well. I just got done playing Fortnite and gotta go take a shower. We got back like a couple hours ago. I just picked up the camera because, oh look at that. It's heaven, bro. I'm just kidding, but like, yeah, but like, Hope you enjoyed this video. I don't even know what. We changed the tie rods. We went to the car wash. That's basically what I did the whole day. But like yeah. So if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that little go down here, turn your phone that way, and then there's just you're gonna see the thing that says subscribe, a little red box. Click that shit, and it's gonna be a bell on the side of it, and click that shit too. Alright guys, peace out.